In this video, we'll learn how to use a line tool in MAPOG. Go to the Annotation section and select the Line tool. Here you'll find multiple line styles. Start with a dashed line. Click on the map to begin drawing. Keep adding point to define the boundary, and double-click to finish. Dashed lines are commonly used to represent future urban growth boundaries. Next, choose the Curved Line tool. Curved lines are ideal for representing rivers and other natural water bodies. The Straight Line tool is useful for showing important traffic corridors or proposed highways. You can also use the Railway Line annotation to highlight existing railway lines or metro routes. Lastly, select the Curved Arrow annotation to represent wind direction, river flow, or air movement. After creating any line, open the Properties panel to customize its color, thickness, opacity, and overall appearance. That's how easily you can create different types of line annotations in MAPOG. In the next video, we'll get to know about Freehand tool.